How to fix gap between teeth naturally at home without braces. A diastema is a space or gap between two teeth. It appears most often between the two upper front teeth. However, gaps can occur between any two teeth. A mismatch between the size of the jaw bones and the size of the teeth can cause either extra space between teeth or crowding teeth. If the teeth are too small for the jaw bone, space between the teeth will occur. Thumb sucking tends to pull the front teeth forward, creating gap. How to fix this? One method to try is teeth gap bands. This is an affordable, quick, and low-pain alternative to braces. If all you need is to close a gap between two teeth. The basic principle is that you slip one teeth gap band around your tooth gap and sleep the night away. After several consecutive nights, the gap starts to close. You then wear the bands as needed in order to keep the gap closed. Results are seen in as little as a week, with larger gaps closing in 3 to 6 months. Second method to try: dental bonding. For gaps that are a bit larger, or when a person wants a quick fix, tooth bonding is preferred. A special tooth-colored resin, which is applied to the tooth and hardened using a special light. In just a few hours, teeth are back to normal. This procedure is most often used when a tooth is chipped or broken, although closing a gap is becoming more common. Third method to try: crowns and veneers. This is the next step up from dental bonding. Crowns and veneers are two separate things for two separate purposes. Dental crowns are also a type of porcelain shell, but they are designed to fit over most of your tooth, which allows them to fix a number of functionally issues as well as cosmetics ones. Crowns are meant to fix damage. A tooth that has broken or cracked due to trauma or decay can be repaired by a crown, but not by a veneer. Fourth method to try: implants. Dental implants are replacement teeth. Implants can be fixed or removable replacement teeth that match your natural teeth. Implants usually have a 98% success rate, but are more fragile than regular teeth. Undue pressure or trauma can easily dislodge an implant, but normal use will not. Once they get used to the teeth, most people can't even tell the difference between the artificial tooth and their own natural teeth. Fifth method to try: dentures. A denture is a removable replacement for missing teeth and surrounding tissues. Two types of dentures are available. First is complete. Second is partial dentures. This is the most extreme gap. Generally, dentures are used when several teeth are removed and the health of the whole person, or just the mouth, is in question. For smaller gaps, they are the equivalent to removable implements. Sixth method to try: retainer or orthodontics. Retainers are most often used after braces to keep the teeth in alignment, while the mouth adjusts to not having braces. Most people seem to just love the clear aligner type retainer. If your gap is part of a more complex problem, this seems to be the lowest cost fix. 17th method to try: braces. We are talking about orthodontics braces here. This is the most invasive, painful, and costly route to realigning teeth. However, sometimes it is required. Braces are most required when the actual bones of the jaw mouth are in need of alignment, used as the only rest years ago. They are now only used in the last case today. Make sure to share this video with your loved ones. Share on your WhatsApp group and Facebook. so that your loved ones know. How to fix gap between teeth naturally at home without braces. Make sure to comment how you feel about this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.